There is another gem in our materia medica for breast cancer, that is remedy gallium aperine. See, this gallium aperine is not very well known but listed very clearly under the breast cancer, remedy for breast cancer. Now when we look into the this plant is from coffee family, Rubiaceae family. And it is also a very weedy and invasive plant, and in the folk medicine, in the herbal medicine, it is listed for a remedy for intermittent fever, kidney stone, and for lymphatic drainage and healing of non-healing ulcers. So this is already listed. If we look at its phytochemistry, this gallium aperine contains a red pigment, that is anthraquinone alkaloid, which resembles anthracycline group of drugs, from which rubidomycin, that is the first chemotherapeutic drug, was extracted. The phytochemistry of this plant closely resembles a chemotherapeutic drug, doxorubicin, which is an advanced version of rubidomycin. Like our quinine plant is Cinchona officinalis. It has anti-malarial property. So the scientists extracted the anti-malarial alkaloid quinine from this plant and made synthetic quinine for the treatment of malaria. Similarly, this plant has natural chemotherapeutic agent like substance doxorubicin. And herbal medicine doctors have, there are so much papers on Google Scholar where you will find that this gallium aperine is very much cytotoxic in nature, and it is a proven remedy against triple negative breast cancer. See, people say homeopathy has no scientific data, but already gallium aperine is indicated in our materia medica as a medicine for breast cancer, and phytochemistry has found that it is a medicine which is closely resembling the doxorubicin chemotherapeutic drug, and also it has been found this herb itself is found very effective against triple negative breast cancer. And also the pathways are very clear that it affects the cancer by modulating the ERK-MAPK pathway. And this family has got caffeine in it. So there will be excessive mental stimulation and so much sensitivity to pain and insomnia because the stimulation. So, and if we look at the homeopathic indication, the homeopathic indications are skin affections and scurvy, urinary lithiasis, patients with multiple neurofibroma. So if you find patients with neurofibroma and cancer, you can think of, because not very many medicines are given under the neurofibroma in our materia medica. And it is also written it favors healthy granulations over ulcerated surfaces, nodulated tumor on the tongue, has power of suspending or modifying cancerous affections. So homeopathy and modern research both confirms that this is a medicine against cancer. After surgery, primary lesion metastasized to faraway place. See, what very interesting thing is that this plant is a weed, and it clings to the surface of the animals, and whenever the animal goes for grazing, the plant propagates to faraway place. So cancer also here from one place to goes to faraway place. I mean, if it is breast, and this medicine has got so much affinity for liver. So if it is a breast cancer, it will not spread into the adjacent tissue, but it will go to liver. It will go to faraway places. It will go to bones. This is the medicine. In short, gallium aperine is a medicine for breast cancer of triple negative type with insomnia and mental stimulation like coffee, so much sensitivity to pain like coffea cruda, extreme pain which keeps the patient awake. Patient is highly intelligent and theorizing. And for the cancer which spreads to distant organ like blood, bones, and from breast to blood, bones and liver.